Capgemini is conducting the Tech Challenge 2021, which is also known as Regional Challenge. In the first level, you will be undergoing the MCQ online, and attempts needed is 2, and the duration is of 30 minutes. You want to get 40 out of 100 in order to qualify for the next round. Date ends in 12 days, means 19th July. Apply as soon as possible. And level 2 will be of hackathon, where there will be of 2 attempts and the duration is 3 hours, and the passing score is 100 out of 100 in round 1, and ends in 12 days. Apply as soon as. And third round is also the hackathon phase, which will be given of 2 attempts and the duration is 2 days and starts in 59 days, 14th September. You can apply here for this round by clicking this register now button. Now let me see the about this challenge. Students can choose from any programming languages of their choice like C, C++, Java, C#, .NET and Python and so on to write their coding program for level 2. The platform supports more than 50 programming languages. The top 5 coders from level 2 and level 4 different regions like East, West, North, South on 23rd July of the regional challenge will be called for online grand challenge. Top 2 coders of the online grand challenge will be awarded a cash prize of 75,000 and 50,000 respectively. That's not at all. After level 2, all students apart from top 5 at level 2 who get minimum of 40 marks will take part in online level 3 contest. Other skill contests range from cyber security, digital technologies, cloud computing, insights and data, and Java full stack. Students are free to participate in any coding contest of their choice. Students and freshers stand a chance to win exclusive cash prize worth to interest of 5,50,000 out of total interest 20 lakhs. Apart from learning from our leaders, they alone stand opportunity to bag a job with, you will be getting a job at Capgemini too. Then let me see the rules. The first round, level 1 will be of screening phase. There will be a total of 20 minutes choice multi MCQs, for which 30 minutes will be allocated to complete the level 1. Each user will get 2 attempts. You will be getting 2 attempts only per level to improve their scores in this level. Each correct answer will fetch user 4 points. Only on submitting the answer, the user will be able to see the score on the result page. After level 1, you will be redirected to the online hackathon phase if you are selected with score. There will be a single problem statement in the round, for which duration is of 22 days, which will be allocated to candidate to complete level 2. The number of attempts will be of 2. Participants will be able to access the problem statement once the participate now button is clicked. The problem statement page has live coding environment where you can code and compile your code. Once you are done writing your code, a default test case will be used to check your code. Then if you are selected from level 2, you will be redirected to level 3, which is a final hackathon phase. All details regarding this phase will be only sent to the shortlisted candidates. You will be sent only to the shortlisted candidates about the third round. These things are same only, and if you have any queries, you can check here in FAQ session. And terms and conditions, they have given the terms and conditions like tie break logic for theme contest on leaderboard. The user with highest score, sum of both levels will be ranked higher. Point 1 being equal, the user with high number of correct answers in MCQ will be ranked higher. If you and other person are getting the same points, then who given the maximum number of MCQs correct, they will be given first place. That is a rule they have mentioned. And let me see the certifications for online contest. The first prize will be of 75,000 and second cash prize will be of 50,000, and yearly bird prizes like first 10 players to complete level 2 win exclusive Capgemini branded merchandise for each team contest. All prize money will be subjected to a tax deduction and the same shall be bought by the winners. I'll be giving the link in the description box. You can apply for this tech challenge. If you have any queries, follow me via the Telegram channel. And if you want to know the latest updates about the job, you can follow me via the YouTube as well as the Telegram channel. All the best for your challenge.